Welcome back to the channel. We're going to show you this month's HuntVault Elite 365 subscription box. We're going to start this unboxing right about now. Hey, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment what you want from this box. Plus, reach out to us on Facebook and give us your information. Every month we will pick a winner and you will get the item you requested. Now, let's dive in and see what's inside. Like normal, we have the shredded cardboard as the packing material, but this isn't the normal box. This one's elongated because there's long items in here that required more room. Now, this is the HuntVault Elite 365. This gives us quite a few more items at a higher value. And our first item we're going to look at is this. This is the Bog Havoc tripod. So it's a shooting rest stand, typical Bog, which I like. So you can tighten by just twisting, and it solidifies this, makes it, so it doesn't move. And then when you untwist, you can extend everything here. Unlike a normal Bog tripod, which are far more expensive, this does not have the spiked feet. It just has the rubber feet on it. But it's actually a nice shooting stand. You got your fork to rest your barrel, and off you go. I kind of like the fact that Bog always makes one of these like a soft grip. It doesn't have locking ends. This is just a shooting rest, and it has a value of $60. All right, our next item is a machete. And this isn't messing around. This is actually kind of cool, and it came with a little knife as well as part of the package deal. Wow. So on the back of it, you have a saw, you have a wire cutter, you have a chisel. You can dig with it. This is just crazy. A trimming knife, which they show you can actually make a spear out of it. That's kind of cool. And then there's a molded plastic sheath, and it's on the back here. So here's the spot for the trimming knife and the overall sheath for the machete. That's kind of crazy. This is huge. And the value of this is, believe it or not, that's about $40. All right. We have the SOG field knife. This is about a $40 value. Actually kind of a nice looking knife. It looks very, very sharp. Anti-slip textured handle. And the sheath is on the back. So, you have the blade. It's a full-length tang. That's kind of a neat little thing. Like I said, this has a $40 value. And that's pretty decent. Yeah, you can never have too many knives. That's just my motto. I'm going to stick to it. Not a bad situation there. Next up is the we have the Outdoors Ace, which is right here. This is Scenery's Outdoor Ace 1 Special Elk Call with a value of about $30. I don't own an elk call, but now we have one. These are really, really cool. This easy-to-use call produces excellent cow and calf talking sounds, attracting even the most stubborn of bulls. And like I said, that was a $30 value. And it could be yours if you like it. Remember, like, subscribe, comment down below, and then tell us what you want, and send us your information on Facebook at Lupo Outdoors. And any one of these items could be yours. Next thing up is a Muddy Micro USB on-the-go memory card reader, and that is this right here. Checking trail cams on the go, no problem. View images and video via your Android smartphone or tablet using the micro USB-C connection to access your memory cards. So that's kind of cool. It's a 256 gig memory card, which is cool because then you can access like all your information on your field cams. Very, very cool. View trail cam images on your Android smartphone. I don't have an Android smartphone. I only have an Apple. Okay, no biggie deal. But this is kind of neat. Value is about $18, and it could be yours. One other items that we have in here. This is an Kinetics Force Arrow Puller. Now, if you're like me, pulling arrows out of like trees and targets or the animal itself is very difficult. This is designed to wrap around your arrow shaft and have a really strong grip to actually pull the arrow out. The value on this is about $12. Now, the last item that we have, and they sent us a book. This is Declaration in the Desert. And it has a whole slew of quotes and all kinds of interesting things in here. I haven't had a chance to look at this, but if they're going to send it to me, I'm going to read it. Now, I don't know a value on this because it's a free gift that they sent to us. So that was part of this whole giant box. All kinds of cool things in this hunt box. My personal favorite is probably this gigantic machete. Wow, this thing is just massive. And I think what I like about it is designed as a survival product. So not only do you have the machete, that if I need to make a spear, these are all sub tools. I mean, this thing is just filled with everything. I can saw wood. It's a neat thing. It is hefty. My goodness, this actually weighs quite a bit. Love that item though. It's really cool. And my second favorite would be this Havoc tripod shooting rest. Very, very cool items this month. Remember, pick the item that you want. Comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed and like this video. Then send me a message on Facebook at Lupo Outdoors. And next month, you could win the item that you chose. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.